Okay guys, these are two chairs that I'm gonna be showing you how to repair them. The only thing that's wrong with it is both of them are in good condition. They're sturdy and strong and still can be used. The only thing I'm gonna show you how to repair is when the upholstery cloth that they cover all the work at the bottom was torn. So this, and it's coming loose. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be using the same material to cover it, just to repair that part of the chair, because otherwise they still look usable and strong. So that's the only thing I'm gonna show you how to repair on this do-it-yourself project. It's easy to get the material at any fabric store and repair it yourself on a staple gun, and of course the staples, and those you can find at the Home Depot. So this is what I'm gonna do today. It's a short video of how to repair that on the chair, and then you can use it again. So this is all we're gonna do, is replace these fabric that's coming apart and just staple gun them, and then cut off the excess pieces that you don't need. So the first thing I'm gonna do is fold it over to get a straight clean line and start stapling. This is the end of this project. It's a short one, repairing the upholstery that rips at the bottom of your chair. You can easily fix it. It's just a little bit of upholstery fabric, and it's all finished. Look, the project is finished. So if you haven't seen my other videos, you're welcome to look at them and subscribe. Click on the thumbs up and look at my other videos. Subscribe, and I'll see you next time.